Now to Southern California, where the Santa Ana winds are expected to return next week. The race is on for crews to contain two major fires. ABC's Rhiannon Alley has the latest.
This morning, at least 18 people remain missing in the Southern California fire zone. 2 new deaths confirmed, raising the toll to 27. A break in the winds allowing crews to gain ground on the flames. But new threats are emerging. This home was split in two by a landslide.
If you look right above it, you're going to see a lot of smoldering debris and things that have burned.
Authorities are reopening some areas for residents to return to. Linda Zhang went back to what's left of her home. She's staying in an Airbnb, struggling to find a new place to live.
So is everything you're wearing donated?
Yes, everything I'm wearing except my phone is donated.
Down to the purse and the shoes?
Down to the purse and the shoes, yeah, everything.
The fires damaged or destroyed at least 12,000 homes and other buildings, including 10 schools, as communities look to rebuild. Fire officials say they hope to finally enforce a zoning law, calling for homeowners to create a 5-foot zone around their house that's clear of vegetation.
The science is very clear that removing combustible material in its entirety from that space is highly correlated to reductions in structure loss.
With so many people having lost their insurance before the fires, law enforcement is reporting a rise in threats against insurance executives. But those in need are finding solace in the generosity of others.
When I heard about these fires, my heart just went out to the community because we've just lived it, and I just could not stay home.
Pastor Sarah Beckman knows what it's like to heal after a wildfire destroyed her community on Hawaii in 2023. So she decided to follow the aid group Mercy Chefs to Los Angeles. The group provides hot meals to those in need. Rhiannon Alley, ABC News, New York.